Hello students. In the previous session, we all are learned about the efficiency of an algorithm and algorithm for searching techniques. The first technique, linear search. In this session, we are going to discuss about the concept of binary search. Binary search, also called half interval search algorithm. Okay, it is also called half interval search algorithm. It finds the position of a search element within a sorted array. Okay, it should be helped to find a particular element within a sorted array, because binary search also have an ascending order or descending order of a list. Okay, in the ascending order or descending order list should be applicable only the binary search. The binary search algorithm can be done as divide and conquer search algorithm and executes in algorithmic time. Algorithmic time is nothing but time taken by binary search. Divide and conquer algorithm is another one kind of algorithm to solve a particular task. Okay, how to, in this algorithm, the list should be divided into two parts, and the divided parts, okay, the divided subparts can be divided into another subparts. Finally, all the subparts can be conquer into the single part. Okay, that is the output. This is the concept of divide and conquer search algorithm. Okay, divide the question and merge the answer. This is the concept of binary search. Okay, the next one is pseudocode for binary search. In the linear search, I explained about the example first. After the pseudocode, I will explain it. But in the binary search, I will explain about the pseudocode, and after that I will explain the example. Okay, then only you can easily understand. Okay, in the pseudocode, first point is start with the middle element. Okay, if the search element is equal to the middle element of the array, that is the middle value equal to number of elements in array divided by 2, then return the index of the middle element. The second, in the first point, in the first step, second point is, if not, then compare the middle element with the search value. The third point, if the search element is greater than the number in the middle index, then select the elements to the right side of the middle index and go to step 1. If the search element is less than the number in the middle index, then select the elements to the left side of the middle index and start with step 1. Okay, this step 1 is very, very important. Now I will explain about it. First of all, we can, okay, let us see the example. I will explain it. Binary search working principles. Okay, in this, okay, consider this example. Okay, the first one is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 99. Okay, it should have these elements. First of all, we should allocate the index value first. Okay, 10 as 0, 20 as 1, and 30 as 2, 40 as 3, and 50 as 4, 60 as 5, 70 as 6, 80 as 7, 90 as 8, 99 as 9. Okay, first of all, allocate the index value. Okay, first we find index of middle element of the array by using this formula. Okay, first of all we find the mid value. Okay, what is the formula? Mid equal to low plus high minus low divided by 2. Okay, I can say another one formula. This is very useful and very easy. Okay, I think this is very easy for you. Mid equal to high plus low divided by 2. Okay, this is a simple formula. Mid equal to high plus low divided by 2 instead of this. Okay, instead of this formula. This is very useful and easy. Okay, mid equal to inside the bracket high plus low divided by 2. It should give the same result of the previous formula. Mid equal to low plus high minus low divided by 2. And instead of this formula in our textbook, it is very easy. Mid equal to high plus low divided by 2. It should give the same answer and it is very easy to calculate the answer. Okay. Okay. Apply this formula. This is the step. Low value as 0, high value as 9, low is 0 and then divided by 2. 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. 9 divided by 2 is equal to 4.5. Here we can ignore the fractional part. Okay. We don't want this 5. So we can take the value as 4. Okay. So this is the mid value. Okay. 50 is the mid value and this is the high value, this is the low value. Okay. This is from mid. This is high and this is low. Okay. This is low. Okay, first we find index of middle element of the array by using this formula. Okay, now we can find the mid value. Okay, mid value as 4. Okay, next we can move to the next step. Now compare the search element with the value stored at mid value location 4. The value stored at location or index 4 is 50, which is not matched with search element as the search value 60 is greater than 50. Okay. Now we remember the pseudocode. First step is find allocate the index value. Second step is find the mid value. Now the third step is compare the values. The search value, okay, the search value is equal to mid value. Okay, compare this one. The search value is 60. Okay, the user wanted a value is 60 is equal to 50. The condition will be false. Okay, if in this step, okay, if in this step the condition is false, the condition is true means we can wind up this problem. Okay, now we can get the answer as 50. Okay, 50 is the mid value. The output is successful. Okay, now here we can conclude it. But in this problem 60 equal to 50 is not possible. Okay, the condition is false. Then we can move to the next step. Okay, Okay, now what is the condition? What is the condition? The search element, that is 60, first we check it, is greater than the mid element, that is 50. Okay, now the condition will be true. Okay, now the condition will be true. Okay, if the search element, if the mid value is less than 50 is less than 60, means we can omit the left side value, this, then only it should be colored. Okay, now we can omit this left side value. Okay, then only it is called half interval search algorithm. Okay, we can omit the half of the part. Okay, half interval search algorithm, bubble sort, binary search. Okay, now again, now this part will be rejected. Okay, now we have the highest value, the lowest value is 0, no, but 0 is left. Now we can find another one low value, that is 5, but we have one formula for this. Mid plus 1. Okay, to find a low value, the formula is mid plus 1. The mid value is 4, right? The mid value is 4 previously. Now 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So this is the new mid value. Sorry, no, new low value. Okay, new low index. This is high, this is low. Okay, can you understand the concept? Now we can find another one value. Again, in this step we can find new high value, low value. Now we can find the mid value of this session. Okay, find this session, because this part will be rejected. Okay, now what is the formula? Mid equal to low plus high minus low divided by 2. Okay, now apply this formula. The answer is 7. Okay, the answer is 7. So the mid value is 7, 80. Okay, the mid value is 80. This is high, this is low, this is mid. Okay, this is mid. Now we can find another one, sort. Now we can proceed the same process as I said earlier. The value stored at location or index 7 is not a match with search element. Rather, it is more than what we are looking for. So the search element must be in the lower part from the current mid value location. Okay, now here we can have the mid value here. Again we can compare it. Okay, again we can compare it. The condition is the search element, the search element 60, okay, the search element 60 is equal to 80. If the condition is true, no. Okay, the condition is false. Again we check it out. 60 greater than 80. Okay, the condition is greater than 80. Okay, here the condition is greater than symbol. The greater than symbol means the left side should be rejected. Less than symbol means the search element less than mid element means skip the right side value. Here the condition is false. Okay, again check the value 60 less than okay, sorry, the value 60 greater than 80, the condition will be true. Then we can omit this portion, right side of the list. Okay, now we have new fresh values, that is 60 and 70. Okay, 60, 70, we have two values. Okay, again we do the step again. This will be eliminated and this will be eliminated, right? So now we can have the low value, right? Now we can find the high value. Okay, high value formula is mid minus 1. In the previous mid value is what? 7. So 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. So the new mid value is 6. Okay, this is the middle value. Okay, can you understand? This is the middle value again. Okay, now again do the step. Okay, again do the step. 60 equal to 70, the condition is not possible. Okay, again we check it out. 60 greater than 70. Okay, greater than symbol means we can omit the right side of the variable. So the right side of the variable is what? 70. Now we can skip the value of 70. Now we can cut this side, this side. Okay, again we can find the mid value, high value, low value, but we have only one variable in a list. Now check the condition. 60, the search element is equal to element in the list, that is 60. Now the condition will be true. Okay, in this step we can wind up. The new mid value is 5. These are the steps. Yeah, now we can find the value of the user wanted variable, that is 60. Okay, this is the step. We can conclude that the search element 60 is found at location or index 5. For example, if we take the search element as 95, For this value is binary algorithm return unsuccessful result. Okay, in this step, okay, we have this like, okay, this is one, right? After that, after this step, in this step the user wanted variable is not found means, okay, the user wanted variable is 95 means here there is no 95, no, so there is no 95, so the output will be unsuccessful result. Okay, the algorithm, the binary search algorithm returned unsuccessful result. Hope you can understand the concept. Thank you students for watching this video.